Hi, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'll show you the way on how to use an outstanding screen recorder called ApowerREC. Able to use this program, you must first download it from its official page. Just click the download button and install it afterwards. Once installed, you can now configure your preferred settings for your recording. To do this, you need to go to Settings, and from here you can set the output folder. Simply click this three-dotted icon and choose the output folder that you like to use. Under the video settings is where you can pick the output format, frame rate, bit rate, codec and quality. Under the audio settings, you can set the output format as well as the bit rate and frequency. You can also set your mouse appearance if you like. It's either you opt to show the mouse cursor or show the mouse area. You'll also have the option to select the color for your mouse area if you decided to enable it, as well as the size. Like the mouse area, you can also set your desired color for mouse clicks. Under recording setting, you can select the zoom area and spotlight diameter to use, plus other settings that can help you while doing the recording. If you like to use shortcuts, then you can set your own shortcut under hotkeys. Just click a certain function and then select the key combination that you want for your shortcut. You can also check the other settings or leave them as it is. When you're done configuring the settings, you can now move with the actual recording. In recording with this program, you are given multiple recording modes to choose from. You can select the record screen mode, record window, record audio, record webcam, as well as record a game. In doing the actual recording, you must first select the recording mode that you wish to use. In case you need to record your screen and webcam, simply click record screen and another panel will appear. Now from here you can select the region that you want to record, the audio source, and make sure to enable the webcam by selecting the appropriate webcam to use. After that, set the recording frame along the area that you need to record. Once set, you can start the recording by clicking the record button, and the recording will start as soon as the countdown ends. Upon recording, you can adjust the size of the webcam feed or move it anywhere on the screen. To end the recording, just click the stop button and the recorded file will be included under the tools recording list. The next recording mode that you can use is the record window mode. This mode will allow you to record a specific window while doing other stuff on a separate window. To record via this mode, just click it and an instruction will be given. Hit select window button to lock the application window that needs to be recorded, and then click the record button to initiate the recording. You can then stop the recording anytime you like by hitting the stop button. For those who prefer to record using the webcam only, it can be easily done by clicking the record webcam option. Now select which web camera to use, the audio sound, and the resolution. It also features a mirror effect in case you need a different angle for your webcam feed. When you're ready, click record to begin the recording and hit stop button to end it. Moreover, you can also annotate while recording by clicking the pencil-like icon. From here you can add annotations such as line, shape, text, numbers, whiteboard, and many more. To put more emphasis on your recording, you can make use of the zoom recording and spotlight recording respectively. After recording, you can modify your video by utilizing the tool's video editing function. Just look for the video clip that you like to edit and then click the edit icon opposite the video file. By using this function, you can trim the portion of the video clip that you don't like. Add some intro. And you can insert watermark too. To save the changes made, just click Export. If you are always on the go and still want to record your screen, then ApowerREC has a task scheduler available to use. Just click this function and a pop-up will appear. Next is to press New Tasks and another window will show. Now key in the details required, such as the start time, recording area, audio input, web camera, and the name for this task, then click OK. A countdown of your chosen duration will be displayed on the bottom of the tool. When the recording ends, the captured video can be seen within the recording list. And that's how to use all of the helpful functions that ApowerREC have. Thank you for watching. Please check our channel videos for more video tutorials.